Did you collect water? Did it rain? That was fun, right? Okay, since you have your weather station, if you find out it's going to rain near you, you can put your weather station outside, and there is a tube here to collect your rain so you can see how much it rained. That's what scientists do. Okay, let's talk about wind. Have you ever felt wind? I bet you have. Sometimes it's so strong it can knock down trees. It's amazing. So how does wind happen? It happens when the sun heats our air unevenly. That means that it's cold in some places and warm in others. Now, where does warm air go? Up. And where does cold air go? It sinks. So as the warm air is moving out and the cold air fills its place, it creates wind. That's how it works. So when the air is cold, it goes lower and it creates something called high pressure. When the air is warm, it creates something called low pressure. And as they move, we get our wind. There you go. Look at your weather station. It has a tool to measure wind. It can measure its speed, and I also have a tool for you to measure its direction. Which way is it going? We can find out. This is called an anemometer. Can you say anemometer? That's a long one too. Good job. So if you blow on it, you make it spin. That's how scientists measure the speed of our wind. Now, your other tool for wind is called a wind sock. Doggo has it here. You are going to decorate it, and then you can put it outside, and when the wind blows, it'll tell you which way the wind is blowing. So hang it up outside, and you'll always know. Great job, you guys. I can't wait to see you next time.